Now, if you're an investor in Yes Bank, you ought to know what is happening with a Yes Bank. What I would sum this quarter up as Q1 FY26 numbers is it's a quarter of stability. It has shown resilience on the margin count. When most banks are seeing margins shrink, Yes Bank is not seeing that. So that is one positive that I am seeing. Second, you have an ownership change, and along with it will come a strategy change. It will come at a time when you are starting to see very good stability in terms of numbers. Yes Bank has clocked the best profit after tax number in the last 13 quarters plus that we've seen it. So therefore, this is a sign that there is stability in an environment which is not as stable. What you want to take care of is there a taper down all through this year with regard to provisioning, and is there a taper up all through this year with regard to return on assets? And return on assets is a measure of profitability. Provisions, of course, is the loan loss provisions that every bank has to provide for every quarter. We are seeing both of those trends play out. So your loan loss provisions are coming down and your return on assets is going up and going up sharply. So both of those are on a positive trajectory. So your ROA number is at 0.8% and your loan loss provisions are coming down, which is aiding profitability. They also have the bandwidth to kind of tweak the cost to income, which is the OPEX that they do. So there is some room to tweak that to try and help profitability. But at the moment, with an 800 crore kind of profit number, it's looking decent for a Yes Bank. What you want to keep in mind though is the fact that you will see an inch up in the book value because you look at price to book for the purpose of purchasing stock, a banking stock. So currently the price to book value is 1.3 times. If it were to inch up the way it has in Q1 of FY26, you likely see this shrink to around 1.2 times price to book by the end of this year. And if the new promoter coming in does make a strategy change and pushes for growth, you could see an upside from here. So you want to be careful with regard to this one. You want to monitor it maybe over the next quarter, see all that is happening. We'll also keep you updated on the conference call that the bank does and what the key takeaways from that are. You want to look at those, analyze those, and then take a call on what to do with a Yes Bank.